As we already discussed, you will need to use a plugin if you want to display different menus on different pages. The plugin we are going to use is Conditional Menus by Themify. You would want to download it from this URL. This is possibly the best plugin if you want to display different menus on different pages, and it's a free download. Let's download the plugin and install it. You do not have to configure this plugin. Before we use this plugin, let's get rid of this sidebar menu. You would also want to note that on every page we are displaying this top menu right now. To get rid of the sidebar menu, go to Appearance, Widgets, and remove this custom menu widget from the primary sidebar. To use the plugin we just installed, go to Appearance, Menus. Click on the Manage Locations tab and you will see the interface has changed a bit. You now have this new option to specify conditions. This plugin, Conditional Menus, allows you to display different menus on different pages. We currently have 4 menus that we want to display. The home page menu, memory foam menu for the memory foam silo, twin mattress menu for the twin mattress silo, and the air mattress menu for the air mattress silo. The home page menu will need to be displayed only on the home page. The twin mattress menu will need to be displayed only on pages that belong to the twin mattress silo. The air mattress menu will need to be displayed only on pages that belong to the air mattress silo, and the memory foam menu will need to be displayed only on pages that belong to the memory foam silo. This plugin will let us select which menu will appear on a specific set of pages. Let's see how to use this plugin. The top primary menu, the one you select here, is the default menu that will appear if none of the conditions you specify are satisfied. For this option, we will choose Top Menu. From this drop-down, choose Home Page Menu. Click on this Conditions link. From the list of options here, choose Home Page. Click on Save. What we just did was specify that the home page menu should be displayed on the home page. Click on this conditional menu link to add another conditional menu. Now choose Air Mattress from the drop-down. Click on Conditions to specify where this menu needs to appear. Click on the Pages tab and you now see a list of all of the pages on the website. From this list, we need to choose pages that belong to the air mattress silo. We'll choose all of the pages that belong to the air mattress silo. Click the Save button. Now, add another conditional menu and this time choose the memory foam menu. Click on the Conditions link, go to the Pages tab and choose all pages that belong to the memory foam silo. Click the Save button, add another conditional menu, choose the twin mattress silo, go to the Pages tab and choose all of the pages that belong to the twin mattress silo. We can do the same with the sidebar menu as well, but we do not need to. Save changes, and now each silo has its own specific menu. If we browse the site now, we will be able to see that different menus will appear on pages that belong to different silos. Let me refresh this page. You can see the home page menu is appearing on the home page. The sidebar menu is gone. You would want to note that any page we did not select here will have the top menu being displayed. So on the About Us page, the top menu is displaying. Similarly, the Contact Us page will have the top menu being displayed. But if you view any page in the twin mattress silo, for instance, the twin mattress menu will be displayed. Similarly, if you view any page in the air mattress silo, the air mattress menu is being displayed. If the correct menu is not being displayed in any of the pages, it would mean it was not specified in this conditional set here. For instance, the memory foam menu is not appearing on this page, which means we left out this page while specifying these conditions for the memory foam silo. That's how you can display different menus on different pages.